Alright, you guys, just arrived to Alien Fireworks in Pahrump, Nevada. I'm going to walk into the store. I'm going to make this a little walkthrough again. It's my second walkthrough, my second run for this year. And I think you guys know this young lady right here. You've seen her in all the videos. And just so you guys can see everything that's going on here. I'm going to walk a little slower so you guys can see prices this time. And amongst other stuff. Here goes the Excaliburs. They're at $65.99 a piece. That's the 300. I say I'm trying to get you guys prices here so you guys know what you guys are looking at. $99 for a 36 Magnum bust. And there goes my favorite box right there, the King of Pyro. This is a new product that I've been seeing. I didn't get any this year, but they're telling me it's pretty good. Just trying to guys get everybody a good look at the whole store. And some prices in case you guys are coming out. Kind of late in the season already, so I know you can't run long tours. You guys make your run. You better make it now. Jumping jacks. I don't know if you guys can see the price right there, $11.99. Just trying to stay away from everybody. So your little 6-shot artillery shells. And more artillery shells. All you want of artillery shells. One of the workers here, I got her on video. Thanks. There's a bunch of the kitty stuff. I really don't pay too much attention to this. But for all you guys that want to look at this, you know, look at the price. I think that says $7.99.
But are you looking like single shots? Yes. Are you looking
yes, sir.
biggest and loudest we have?
Nice stuff here today. Everything's looking good. There's the boss. Bunch of 500-gram cakes. This time, the only 500-gram cake I'm taking, it's going to be the Open Fire. You know, you guys can see it on video. I'll be posting on the 4th of July. Pretty much a show that we're throwing at my house. You know, typical show every year. All 500-gram cakes. And I say Area 51 Fireworks is the place to be. Look at all this fireworks selection. Let me get you some prices over so you guys can see what you guys are looking at. That's $20.99. And that's the 8016 firecrackers, 500 milligrams. And here you go, another one, $18.99 for the Class Crackle. Red Celebration. We're looking at $29.99. And of course, you guys seen this on my last video. These real large ones. And my favorite one of all, look at this one. $239.99. And there you go, special firecrackers. 500-gram cream. These are all the Saturn missiles.
Sorry, he gonna get you in video.
That's what we want to do. Everybody on video. Say hi. Hi. You guys will be on YouTube today. Once again, prices $184.99. That's a 500-gram. It's a 9-inch. 2 in each shot, which is pretty cool. The 300 missiles. And I'm not sure. Here goes the price over here. 200 missiles, you're looking at $20.99. And I got this real big one over here for $109.99. A lot of stuff, you guys. A lot of the mortars, a lot of the 200-gram cakes, refillable shots. I don't know, I've never seen this one before. It's like a Folds of Honor for 30 bucks. That's a good price. I'm not buying any of this here, but it looks reasonable. Once again, you know, King of Pyro, all the regular family packs, all this stuff, you know, goes quick. A bunch of the skyrockets, little 140 pieces. You're looking at $12.99, $9.99, and $12.99. So you guys want to head out here, make this your last run. This is getting late in the season already. Some bottle rockets, $8.99. A little Kittyland corner. I think some of these are actually just little poppers or something. There you go. Alright, you guys. I hope I didn't want to make this video too long, but I wanted you guys to see the prices, you know, of what I'm looking at. A bunch of 500 Kabiba cake. You know, and just remember, these prices are, you know, usually buy one, get one free. You know, or you get by the case. Much better price. I say you guys make your own decision, but Area 51 fireworks is the place for me. That's how we do it here, right?
Yes.
Area 51 all the way. Alright, you guys. I'm going to cut this video a little short.
That's alright, honey.
Nice China Dragon. 50 bucks, 55 bucks. The blue, I guess that's print. $144.99. Kings, $89.99. See a bunch of stuff. $36.99. Good place. Alright, you guys. I say I'm not trying to make this video too long for everybody. I just want everybody to look at prices and see what I'm looking at. You guys, if you haven't made your run yet, come on down to Nevada, Area 51. And as I said, don't pay too much attention to the prices. That's what they are here. But if you buy by the box, you buy by the case, it's usually by individual pieces. It's buy one, get one free. Some stuff that's green tagged is buy one, get two free. And here's the, look at the brothers. It's a nice big one. And here goes one more. And I should have got some of these. Tycoon. None of these have prices, but I know they're pretty pricey, but they're well worth it. Blue Eyes, everybody's favorite. Going just to the last boxes over here. And of course, everybody's last box I always finish off my video with, the Area 51, the one I always want to take home, but my wife don't let me take it. Look at that assortment. Guys, you guys gotta head out here. Pahrump, Nevada, Area 51 fireworks. Alright, you guys, hope you guys liked the video.